I'm using my very dense. Hello everyone, today we are doing a candy themed makeup tutorial. I am so excited for this one. Step one would have been to apply our concealer. I've already applied the concealer, but I haven't applied the eye foundation. Wait, what did I just what did I just say? No, would be to apply the foundation, but I haven't applied the eye concealer. Yeah. Okay, so today we are going a little bit crazy on the eye concealer because just because. So I'm just gonna apply the eye concealer foundation. I'm not doing this again, okay? If you want to know how to apply the foundation, just go ahead on to this video on the screen because I've done a whole bunch of videos on it, but this one's the main one. So I'm just applying the eye concealer onto my eyebrows as well, and then I'm going to go just outside the eye, around the eye like that, because today is a bit extreme. And then I'm going to just apply it from there like that. Okay, just going down like that. Okay, yeah, it might look like a mess now, but we'll clean it up as we go on. From straight to curl, zip up my dress, make sure it's tight, strap up my heels. I'm done with this eye. I just followed like the normal shape of my cheekbone, like that. Yeah, I don't want it to go all the way there, but I'll just apply some foundation there. Now I'm going to go on to the next eye. You do exactly what you did on this eye, on the other eye as well. Okay, so I'm done with this side. I just want to apply more on my eyebrow here. I just basically want to sort of cover up the eyebrows as much as possible. This is this side and this is this side. The reason why I'm doing that is because basically the look is going from like that to like that. That's what I'm thinking of doing today. Today I'm using my very dense brushes for today. I just want the colors to just really pop out. Today I'm just focusing on very bright colors, bright glittery colors in a way. I just want to start off with this very, very pink look, this one over here, and then I'm going to start applying it on my inner eye part. So just right over here, apply it like that. Just like that. Nothing too serious at the beginning. This is what it's going to look like at the beginning, just like that. With this eye over here, I just want to apply orange over here. So now I wasn't recording and I was just talking and talking. Okay, so what I said was I want to take this color and put it there. I don't want I don't want the eyes to look exactly identical. So I'm going to take another color for here. But the color that I put from there will be here, and the color that I put there, so this orange, will be up there somewhere. And then I'll just make the eyebrows something. I'm not sure yet, but it'll be something. I am going to take blue for this eye over here that does not have a partner, and just apply my blue. We're gonna do it our way. We don't care what they say. Okay, we're done with the blue. For now, I think, yeah. So now I'm gonna take the orange, and then I'm just gonna apply it up here. Just right up there. Okay, I'm gonna apply another different color there, so just like almost same aligning with the purple. that is done. Now I'm going to take this blue that I applied there and just do the exact same thing that I did with the orange. Okay, yeah. Oh, I don't know if that looks fine. It looks a bit too, I don't know. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to work with it like that. I don't know if it works like that. I'm going to add a glittery, very bright pink to this corner of my thingamabobby right over here. Just like, oh yes, baby, yes, that's what I wanted. Ah, yes, did it exactly, and then I did it exactly on the same eye. I'm going to do the high blush look, just taking my normal brush that I apply for the blush. Then I'm just going to take my blush. It's literally the same brush. I like to use this color, and then I'm just going to apply it like that around my eye, just following the eye concealer. This time I don't have to do that. Well, if you want to, you can. Actually, I would actually just go with doing it like that. Okay, so I've applied this side. This side is all done. I'm just going to go onto this side. So this is the final look. I want to just take like a purple and just eyeline the bottom of my eyes. Now to that serious, scary part of this video. I want to take some sprinkles. Okay, I'm applying Vaseline right now. Hopefully this works. So I'm going to take these sprinkles and use them as my eyebrows. I hope that turns out well.
2 hours later.
It didn't work. So I'm just going to apply it on my lips then. I also have these chocolate coated balls. Now my face smells like chocolate and my all for nothing. But anyway,
after that whole mess, I decided to add eye concealer onto my eyebrows, and then I decided to just add eyeshadow onto my eyebrows instead of the glitter, because yeah, you know what happened with the glitter. I decided to experiment a bit, and then I added eye concealer onto my eyelashes to just, I don't know why I did that, but yeah, it turned out well, so at least that worked out.
We're not done yet. We're not done yet. I'm going to apply some lipstick. This one. Yeah.
Today, first of all, I know that there might be so many hectic things that are going on in your life, but you might not hear this much, and I'm going to be the first one to tell you. I just want to tell you that I'm proud of you. The fact that you haven't given up on anything and you're still going on. The resilience that you have is amazing, so keep pushing.
Never forget that food, so let's go out tonight. Forget about that.